Hey everybody, here's Grandpa's mill. Here's a demo of what I've learned so far. So one of the first things I did was I fixed the motor that's up here. This motor is, according to YouTube and the internet world, it's about 100 years old. From what I can tell, Grandpa had it wired wrong. It's a single-phase motor with a DC start, so that's unusual. Today we use capacitor starts for induction motors. But it has a DC start. Once it spins up, those brushes come off and the induction motor hums along. So it has a really unique start and unique shutdown. So I'm going to turn it on right now. I'm in the process of cleaning this machine up. You can see it's covered in a lot of gunk. So here we go, we're going to turn it on. You can hear the electric motor wind up. The centrifugal clutch disengaged the DC part, and now it's running full AC. Over here you can see the drive wheel, so it comes off the electric motor, comes through the chain, comes onto the stepped cylinder, and I've got my clutch. This is my clutch, sort of. It's going to pick this whole assembly up, then it's going to engage the cylinder down here, which will then feed all of the drives. So here we go, we're going to engage the clutch. Okay, there we go, you can hear the gears spinning. You can see the drive is fully engaged. We've got the horizontal cutter right here. And down here we have our drive motor. Over here is the selector for your speeds. Mechanical drive of the X, Y, and Z axis. So right now I'm gonna engage the X speed. Hopefully it's going the right way. Actually, I want it to go the other way. There you go. You can hear the electric motor pick up, transferring energy down here. Here's the Y-axis being engaged. You can see it's coming backwards there. And then of course we have the Z-axis. It's rolling down. And then we can go the other way. You can hear the electric motor bobbing, or the belt slipping a little bit, so I've got all three axes engaged here. That's it on the mechanical drive. Here's the shutdown procedure. Again, same way we disengage our friction clutch, if you will. And then come back over and shut our power off. My next project is just to degrease the whole thing, put a light coat of oil on it, fix the electrical box, and then get my three-phase into the big spindle here and start cutting metal. That's it.